Clean windows make for a good working environment and lower energy consumption. It's easier to see outside through a clean window, and that's good for you. The cleaner the windows are, the more daylight can flow in, and that's good for the environment. But it can be difficult to attain well-polished windows unless they are cleaned regularly, and that means frequent visits by a window cleaner. 20% of the average office building maintenance budget is used on keeping windows clean. But bad weather conditions can make outdoor window cleaning impossible on a scheduled date. Wouldn't it be nice if the windows could clean themselves? Laboratory tests have shown that ShineOn removes even the most stubborn mixtures of grime produced by scientific researchers. The grime that settles on your windows is a cocktail that effectively reduces transparency. It's a blend of pollen, dust and small sand particles that have been whipped up into the atmosphere. As a result, the window's transparency is reduced. Over a period of time, a window becomes a magnet for grime. The problem is worsened by rainfall. In this laboratory rain simulation test, we can see how each raindrop leaves behind a small amount of grime on an untreated pane of glass. But there is a solution to this problem. A solution that applies to all windows, regardless of their age, and the difference is clear. Comprehensive laboratory tests have shown that ShineOn possesses exceptionally long-lasting cohesive properties. Under magnification, even the smoothest pane of glass resembles the lunar surface before treatment with ShineOn. Other nanoproducts settle in the contours of the glass surface like a filler. But ShineOn chemically bonds with the surface of the glass. Therefore, there is a clear difference between untreated glass and glass treated with ShineOn. And the exceptional cohesive properties of ShineOn assure that the product will remain effective even after further polishing. After applying ShineOn, the sun triggers a so-called photocatalytic process. ShineOn helps the sun to burn the grime loose. As the sun's rays hit the glass, a chemical combustion process is triggered. The grime is burnt away from the glass instead of onto it. But if the glass is to retain a completely clean surface, the resulting residue needs to be rinsed away with water. Using a microscope, we can see how ShineOn affects the shape of every single drop of rain. In normal circumstances, when a raindrop hits a pane of glass, it becomes slightly arched, but on glass treated with ShineOn, the raindrop becomes completely flat. On a normal window pane, raindrops glide over the surface of the grime, but on windows treated with ShineOn, the raindrops flatten out and force their way beneath the grime, removing it from the surface. Gravity then plays its part, assuring clean windows after every rainfall. With ShineOn, you harness the powers of nature to clean your windows. The sun's rays burn away grime and raindrops wash away the resulting residue.